Everyone, and welcome to the Bharat Army podcast. This is episode number 7. I've got a special guest with me, my co-host from MI, Ankita Karungaikar. Hello, welcome.
Hi, welcome
Yeah.
Karta. This you saying welcome is a very different thing to me. Where suits it doesn't suit you. Very professional.
Yeah, but then as you know, World T20 का squad आ गया है बाहर,
Yeah.
and quite excited to discuss about the strengths, weaknesses, क्या मतलब कुछ changes होने चाहिए थे if you wanted some other players in the squad. If you're not happy with certain players in the squad, let's talk all about it. Let's talk all about it in the breakdown. So Ankita, पहले तो you went through the squad. Are you happy? Like just quick overview के
Um,
बाद.
I think I am happy, but my opinion lies with a lot of the fans. जो है
Mhm.
like Rinku Singh not being in the squad. That is the
Yeah,
only. I'm gutted,
yeah.
but besides that, it looks like a good strong team to me.
Okay.
What do you think though?
I have lots of opinions actually, but
Yeah.
so I would say I'm happy with the squad as you said, except
Yeah.
for the part जहाँ पर I expected some other players to be in the 11 in
Yeah.
the squad.
Yeah.
Rinku Singh, I think it's a big surprise. I think Gaikwad to some extent, but I feel
Exactly.
गायकवाड का प्रॉब्लम हैज बीन गिल का प्रॉब्लम हैज बीन कि टॉप ऑर्डर इतना भरा हुआ है अपने पास
Hmm.
वेयर डू वी फिट देम एंड
Right.
इज इट रूमर और इज इट ट्रू कि विराट एंड रोहित आर गोइंग टू ओपन इट
I have no idea. I've heard that, and जब
या
मैंने वो सुना था, I actually मैं source check कर रही थी सबसे. Is this actually true? Is this?
या
And nobody actually said that. You never know. You never know. So
हाँ
with current changes, what is happening ना, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Like
या
ऐसा वाला feeling आ रहा है.
यार
But
बट
no,
या
I think when you said Ruturaj Gaikwad, I have had a very similar conversations with a lot of people in the industry who work with us,
या
and they are massively disappointed to
या
not have Ruturaj Gaikwad in the squad. And वो जायज है. He is exceptional. He
डूइंग
is
एवरीथिंग
a
या
is a captain of one of the strongest franchisee. Then
या
he is playing. He's a hard hitter. He's a very well reader of the game.
या
एंड जब ऐसा प्लेयर बाहर रहता है तो इट जस्ट मेक्स अस थिंक कि मतलब इज दिस लाइक
मेकिंग
क्या
सेंस
या
या
या एग्जैक्टली
Yeah, but I think again the problem is that's why people are speculating कि विराट और रोहित ओपन करने वाले हैं because openers बाकी किसी को चांस ही नहीं मिला है. There's no ईशान किशन, which is a disappointment for us. जो
या
जितना जज करना है कर लो. I wanted ईशान in the squad. There's no Gill. Gill को
या
रिजर्व में रखा है. Someone like Shubman Gill. There's ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ का तो नाम ही नहीं है कहीं पर. Jaiswal has got a good chance, and I think he
यस
deserves it. It was long overdue. But do you think
रियली डू यू थिंक सो
Jaiswal? I think so. Yeah, dude. T20 में
ओके
he has been doing great.
ओके
Uh, would you want to see him open with Rohit and then Virat comes in, or would you want Jaiswal down the order, like Rohit Virat to open?
सी एज अ क्रिकेट फैन
Yeah,
ऐसे मतलब मस्ती के लिए आई वुड लाइक टू सी रोहित एंड विराट ओपन
yeah,
ओके
मस्ती के लिए, yeah, exactly.
मस्ती के लिए बट अगर लॉजिकली सेइंग आई वुड नॉट पुट माय स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बैटर एट द फोरफ्रंट बोथ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट
Yeah,
बैटर मे इट बी रोहित और विराट एंड विराट is somebody and Rohit are crucial players. Rohit has a
mhm,
habit of opening as well. But I
yeah,
think having Yashasvi Jaiswal in that first two like jo first openers may that will be
mhm,
a more sensible decision
yeah,
because he can see even if he doesn't hit it's fine. We have Virat Kohli, we have other
mhm,
batters coming next. But then
yeah.
if Virat और रोहित का ही उड़ गया बल्ला सेकंड इसमें
That's the
तो
biggest problem.
वो
Left arm
तो
pace आ गया अगर न्यूजीलैंड मिल गई हमें फिर से and there's Bolt and all bowling, तो I
yeah,
can't
and I can't see that. I
I
cannot
can't
see
deal with that
it will be
again.
heartbreaking to see that. Never.
For now, it has become muscle memory for us, but
Yeah.
let's hope that it changes right now. But yeah, how about this thought कि open हम लोग किसी और से कर ले जायसवाल वगैरह
Hmm.
because these two are like the youngsters are actually playing the new brand of T20 where they're attacking every
Hmm.
single ball.
Yeah.
And Rohit or Virat play 3-4 down because we've seen Rohit attack really well right from the start. Kohli can also
Yes.
do that. But man, as you said, I don't want them to. I don't want a situation जहाँ पर गलती से इन दोनों के start में wickets गए, and
Yeah.
then पूरा batting order seems like they're good batters, but it
Yeah.
seems very much कि यार अभी क्या है? There's no Virat to save us. There's no Rohit to save us. So how about everyone gives us a good start? अगर
Yeah.
start अच्छा नहीं भी हो, अगर good start है, Virat Rohit can easily build up on it. We've seen them do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
If there's no good start, we need anchoring, then they're master at it. Rohit and
Yeah.
Virat.
Yeah.
That could solve a lot of problems. Yeah.
I think with अभी current situation भी देखा जाए तो रोहित शर्मा after that century got a little step back from hitting hard at the start. Like
Yeah.
he's missing out on that, and it can be any reason, we don't know, but like it
Yeah.
is not happening. So and when that abhi last match mein bhi jab aise bahut jaldi wicket गई रोहित शर्मा की, it was heartbreaking. As an MI fan, it was heartbreaking. So
Right.
imagine अगर ये इंडिया टीम के टाइम पे सेम सिचुएशन हुई, it won't be as something that I would like to accept. When
Correct.
you said कि अगर रोहित and विराट थोड़े later order में आए, I don't think it's that bad of a decision.
Would
I
be.
think
Yeah.
it would make sense, because then if you want anchoring after you know कि चलो, for an example, अपन दुबे को and जायसवाल को open करने देते हैं, ठीक है?
Wow. That'll be
We
fun.
give them, and
हाँ.
that'll be fun to watch because both are hard hitting batsmen.
Yeah.
They
Or
go
Samson
even
can do it. Yeah.
yeah, anyone.
Yeah.
But I think let's take an example of Dubey or
Correct.
Jaiswal.
Yeah.
And अगर एक का भी विकेट चला जाता है वो टाइम पे, एटलीस्ट वी नो कि रोहित शर्मा या विराट कोहली को पता है कि अभी द सिचुएशन इज इंटेंस,
Yeah.
नाउ दे हैव टू एंकर, नाउ दे हैव टू स्टेबलाइज द गेम. आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक ये आइडिया शायद जम सकता है.
It makes sense. Like viewers, आप लोग भी comment करके बता दो कि if you guys agree with it. It's a vague opinion, but it could work out well in our favor as well. बाकी players की बात करें, there's Surya Kumar Yadav. Super happy to have him, but I need consistent performances, dude. I can't be like we expect a lot from Surya, but that's because he brings a lot on the table, and
Yeah.
we really want him to excel every single match if we want to have a chance at this World T20. Because Surya is playing the new brand of T20.
Yeah.
It's just about getting those runs consistently. That's what's
Yeah.
lacking right now.
Yeah, I do agree with that, and especially after watching some performances during apna Mumbai Indians also, he is inconsistent, and that let's agree on that.
Yeah,
And it's he comes sometimes and he will hit hundreds and 78 runs and 80 runs and 30 balls or whatever. But then when it comes to okay, next game we need him, and he gets out on one first ball itself.
Yeah.
And then it obviously as a fan it makes you think that is this a player that consistent that can bring that middle order strong for the T20 World Cup? Because if you see other team squad as well, it looks pretty strong. New Zealand ho, Australia ho, and when you talk about our team, we want our middle order to be even stronger than the other teams. So yeah, Surya Kumar Yadav have lots of expectations, but I really hope there is some consistency that he brings in. We just don't want somebody hitting hard. We also want somebody who thinks what is necessary at this point and then hit hard.
Then please, fair to say. I think someone like Dubey would help. Like I can imagine the lineup जहाँ पर Surya is attacking and Dubey is on the other side. There's Rishabh Pant on the other side. That'll be fun to watch. Also, from an approach standpoint, would you want कि Butler की तरह risk लेते रहो? अगर out हुए, it's fine. But then go attacking, maybe take 2-3 balls to adjust. पूरा over मत खाओ. But like you said with Surya Kumar Yadav, maybe don't attack from the first ball.
Yeah.
1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball. After the third ball, do what you do.
But also, I would like to say, like when तूने Butler की बात की, he can take that risk because there is a what do you say? There's a support from the other batters too.
Yeah, true.
This is important. So even if you take a risk, it's fine to take a risk. You should play with the risk. Safe play T20 mein, I don't think it's going to work.
Correct.
You have to hit hard. But make sure that if you hit hard and अगर आप out हो गए तो आपकी बाकी की जो players की lineup है बाद में वो इतनी strong हो कि वो पूरा game वापस balance करे. Not कि उधर उनका nerve breakdown हो कि अरे यार अभी ये out हो गया तो दूसरा out हो जाएगा. That chain we need to stop. If we know okay, first wicket Virat Kohli is gone, don't panic. We need batters who are like okay, Virat Kohli is gone but we have someone else. Yeah.
Think of it this way कि 120 ball है. तुम लोग के पास almost 10 batters है. If leaving one only bowler जो bowling नहीं कर पा रहे, बाकी सब लोग है Dubey who can bowl, who can bat, Hardik Pandya can bowl, who can bat.
Yeah.
सबके पास 10 बॉल पकड़ के जाओ और उड़ाओ.
हाँ.
If someone survives more than that, you're sorted. Speaking of Hardik Pandya, vice captain, surprised with the decision, happy that team is backing him, or what's your opinion?
See, अभी अगर current form की बात करें तो obviously it's in churches. Everyone knows like he's not been in the best form in the IPL as a captain and as a player. Both. And there is nothing personal against ki as a fan that I don't like him as a captain. It's more to do with if the team is doing well, we know the decisions are right and we back the team, right?
Yeah.
But like with vice captaincy, I think Hardik Pandya has been that experienced person who has worked with us during the T20 World Cup that happened in Australia as well.
Yeah.
He was there. He was equally, strong on the field. He was playing. He was in a great form. But now, after the IPL and since whatever he's going through on the
Injuries,
personal level,
Yeah.
I think that is going to affect a little.
Yeah.
But it's great to know that the team is backing them. But I'm just scared for the fact that if this performance of his has affected him in any way, mentally or whatever in form wise,
Yeah.
it shouldn't affect the T20 because it is
Yeah.
we can't take that risk at that point.
Yeah. Speaking of players who didn't get selected, KL Rahul, was it a shocker? Because honestly, I expected this happening. I forced.
It wasn't a shocker for me. It
Yeah.
wasn't a shocker at all because abhi kitne log? We have Rishabh Pant, we have Sanju Samson, we have a strong wicket keeping lineup,
Yeah.
and batters as well. And KL Rahul in that entire arena was not fitting well anyway for this squad
Yeah.
at least. So I wasn't actually shocked. I just knew
Same.
I saw that coming.
Yeah, and ऊपर से T20 में, let's be honest, like KL is very good in ODIs, Test cricket की बात
Yeah.
करें, but then when it comes to T20 format, KL is not the primary wicket-keeper batter that will go for, even as a only as a batter as well.
Yeah.
अगर दिनेश कार्तिक जैसे को नहीं select हो रहा है, I think that should be a bigger discussion than this.
Dude, DK yaar.
Yeah. Would have loved to see him, but then I think it's again going back instead of going ahead.
Yeah.
But I still feel अगर एक महीने में वर्ल्ड कप है और अगर डीके खेल रहा है, why not? Bring in Thala as well, यार वो भी तो खेल ही रहा है.
Yeah.
Would you like to
खिलाओ.
see Dhoni in the squad?
Dude, is there any time ये क्वेश्चन ही गलत है.
Yeah.
मैंने कभी मना ही नहीं करूंगी because even as an MI fan जब CSK का मैच होता है we all wait for Dhoni's batting.
Yeah.
So imagine if he comes in the India squad, I think people will go crazy, and the confidence again, like he is that person who brings in the confidence not just for himself but the entire team. I don't think हम एक भी मैच हारते थे.
Oh wow. Yeah,
मुझे
I think जो mentality हम लोग lack कर रहे हैं ना as an Indian cricket team, जो हम लोग let's say we lost to Aussies in the final, like multiple years ever since Dhoni has stepped down from captaincy, जो हमारा हुआ, I think the mentality that we're lacking is because we need a leader like Dhoni जो mentally match जीतेगा. Rohit Sharma is a great strategist, वो दिमाग अच्छा लगाता है. Kohli is a great player, captain when it comes to giving that जोश. But जो mentality चाहिए रहता है ना कि हम लोग जीतने के लिए आए हैं, that is something that's lacking right now is what I'll tell.
Yeah. I do agree at some point as well. But also I think like these people are in a very similar age group. If you think of that, Rohit, Virat, and then when Thala comes in, he's a bit more experienced and age-wise too. He's been in the industry more than they have been. So there is an instant respect that comes out. There is an instant decision power that comes out. And that's why his decision is the last word in the team. So it depends on a lot of factors. But if Thala was playing, there is
nothing like it.
Nothing like him.
Yeah. I think Rohit ने खुद बोला भी था ना कि it'll be hard to convince Dhoni to play the World Cup. I tried with DK. Yeah. But then one player that got selected, dude, Sanju Samson. It was long overdue. कितने सालों से we are waiting for Sanju Samson to get a chance, and finally he's got it. It'll be it'll be poetic if Sanju Samson is the one hitting those winning runs that get us the championship.
He will, and he will. I have full faith and confidence in him, and the reason for that is RR has been in they always go to qualifiers. There's nothing new. But this season, RR is something different, okay? You see the spark in the team members. You see the spark in Sanju Samson eyes, the way he's captaining the team. It's commendable. And right after, when you are coming from such a successful team and the next game is T20 World Cup where you have been selected, imagine uske wo confidence and form pe कितना positive effect लाएगा. So I think I'm watching out for him. I'm tired of seeing the memes जो पहले बनते थे ना संजू सैमसन पे कि इधर भी नहीं खिला रहे करके. Come on, now he's there in the squad and I'm more than happy.
Yeah, this time I know, like on Twitter, squad announcement के बाद justice for Sanju Samson was not there. कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है. I'm in the wrong time.
कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है.
Speaking of the bowling side, are you happy? I think I'm quite happy with the bowling. I still feel someone like Shami and all would have made an impact, but injuries ही इतना है तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But there's Siraj, which is a very good option. There's Arshdeep, again a good pick, right, Ankita? Yeah, there's Jasprit Bumrah. There's Kuldeep Yadav, Yuzvendra Chahal, Akshar Patel, Hardik Jadeja. I think fantastic lineup. Yeah.
I think the Kulcha is back. The Kulcha is back. We have Kuldeep Yadav, we have Chahal. I think I'm looking forward for Yuzi because Yuzi, you know how he is. He doesn't. I think it's his time to shine for this tournament. But again, talking about Arshdeep, who brings in a lot of pace, there is spinner like Kuldeep Yadav,
Yeah.
and who else did you say? We have
Hardik Pandya, there's Dubey
Hardik
who can
Pandya,
bowl.
Dubey, who can bowl,
Yeah.
but he hasn't bowled much in the
Yeah.
IPL, so
Yeah.
it's still a bit tricky.
Recently he did and he picked wickets.
Really?
Yeah.
There we go. Is
So
this
in the
was
latest
this the yesterday's or
Yeah.
yesterday's
Yeah.
match? Yeah.
So it's going well, but I still don't know if Dubey and Hardik both would play. Agar Hardik vice captain,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah.
assuming he's in the playing 11. And
Yeah.
if that happens, then I'm not sure if Dubey would get. He deserves a chance. To be honest, I want Dubey in the playing
Yeah.
11. जो form में है उसकी वजह से.
Yeah.
But when it comes to bowling, yaar, I'm happy that Chahal is in because he's kind of an attacking bowler.
Yes.
When it comes to, he would go for this risk कि चलो 6 attempt कर लो, but you will lose your wicket while doing that.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that, but the fielding side, dude, and batting side, you cannot have a player
Yeah.
जिसको बिल्कुल नहीं आती.
Yeah.
It's T20 format. Everyone needs to. Bumrah should be the last player to come to bat, and
Yeah.
he can hit sixes because he can.
Yeah. He can. Yeah.
Yeah, he
We've
can
seen it.
exactly. But उससे भी बुरा अगर कोई batter है, then it's a problem. कि मतलब when it comes to Chahal, and I really don't
Yeah.
know if we should take that gamble. But जो भी है,
But
if
we still have reserves also. Something might change. You never know.
Yeah.
Especially knowing the situation of the game, and we consistently have been having some fielding lapses. Even if you
Yeah.
see this season and you compare it with the international game, जो अभी आने वाला है, you see the fielding from the international players is a lot more better than the fielding from our Indian players.
Completely.
And there is a high chances that we might have to work on that, and we have to. अगर मेरे को पूछा जाए तो we have
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
But we also have, they see bowling attack is good, batting is good, but where we can lose the game if we do, then it's gonna be the fielding. And
Yeah.
I highly agree
Agreed.
with that. And we've seen it this year.
In the finals, what
In the
happened?
finals.
Like, we gave away so many runs. जो जब भी वो लोग bat कर रहे थे, some misfields and everything. When it came to Australia, they were
Yeah.
saving every single run.
every ball effort के साथ slide हो रहे हैं,
Yeah.
हवे में उड़ रहे हैं. Like there is jaunty rods that we see somewhere. Like वो move. Like the effort is important towards the fielding from this team as well. But again, like coming back to some players that I was kind of gutted to not see is Rinku Singh, man. Like why?
It doesn't make sense, to be honest. I think the only problem is कि एक set मतलब 15 का ही squad दे सकते हैं या 16 का ही squad दे सकते हैं. That's why 16
वो तो है.
No, no,
है. It's
that's
given.
I mean, I think अगर एक और member लेके जा सकते थे, Rinku was the one coming on that flight. And I feel somewhere we missed the trick when it comes to a finisher. Na? I think they've already assumed Hardik Pandya being the vice captain, he's in the 11. So उसके अलावा we got Rishabh Pant who can act as a finisher. There's Dubey who comes in late. Sanju Samson को भी Sanju I feel he can bat in any position.
Yeah.
Basically like what KL Rahul used to do.
Yeah.
But still, it doesn't make any sense that Rinku Singh is not in the 11 because he, as you rightly said, deserves a spot. And yeah, okay, I'll put it this way: अगर हमें 3 ओवर में 60 रन चाहिए या 70 रन चाहिए, I am placing my bets. Sorry, I'm placing my hopes. Hopes. Yeah, I'm placing my hopes on Rinku Singh.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. I mean, he's that we have seen his international games, and he is the most hard-hitting batsman that I know with this age and experience. And putting him, I think Rinku deserve नहीं करता है मेरे हिसाब से.
Okay.
So that is the line that I like. मैं कल से यही सोच रही हूँ कि he deserves in the squad. But also talking about Shubman Gill.
Yeah.
Like he is the captain again of one of the really big franchisee who's gotten a success in a very less time, and he has consistently proven to be the best batsman. He's called the Prince after King, and he's not in the squad.
Not in the squad. I think again this is why all of those discussions and rumors and speculations about Rohit and Virat opening, which is why so many openers have been snubbed. Gill को chance नहीं मिला है. Jaiswal को chance नहीं मिला, ईशान को. There's not even a debate around these players because and Virat is opening over there in RCB if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Rohit of course open ही कर रहा है. Let's see what happens.
But would you back Rohit and Virat opening? Like, would you ever back that as logical thinking?
As a lover of the game, I would love to see this. But as someone who understands the game, I would want them to play down the order.
Yeah.
Because let's be honest, age is not on their side. They won't be able to stand for 20 overs at a time. We've seen that happen.
Yeah.
Virat की बात करें, Rohit की बात करें, I would rather want them play their best for 10 overs, which Rohit and Virat do already, which is after the 10th over, 12th over or something. And they are very sensible in thinking cricketers. तो अगर initial में Jaiswal वगैरह ने बहुत अच्छा foundation set किया, then they can build on that brilliantly. They can take
Yeah.
on any bowlers firstly, Rohit and Virat, whoever you are.
Yeah.
Unless it's a left-arm pace. But apart from that, agar wickets bhi gaye, then Rohit and Virat can understand the game and anchor accordingly and shift
Yeah.
game. That's why down the order, not at the top, not opening.
Yeah, I agree to you with whatever you said, because that's what I feel they should play a little
Yeah.
baad mein. Because I think with these new batters also, not new I would say, but like the young
Yeah.
generation, like Jaiswal and Dubey, or we have any other batters, they come on the field की मतलब तूने अगर उनका lip sync भी पढ़ा होगा ना matches के time, they're like हाँ हाँ चल ना लेते छक्का लेते चौका लेते, like they come with that mindset कि खेलना है यार, मजे करने हैं, and then we have to anchor the game. We have these players, okay? So I don't think it will be a wrong. I think it'll be a good decision to somebody else open instead of Rohit and Virat.
That'll be fun. Let viewers comment and tell what should be their ideal opening partnership. If you remember, the last time we won the T20 World Cup was back in 2007. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं जीते हैं. Now we are again on a campaign. If you have to predict where we'll finish this year, what's your prediction?
Prediction?
Yeah.
I think we definitely are going in the finals. Like definitely. I think
Against?
most definitely we will against
Australia.
Look, no. I think Australia, yes, but I do think New Zealand this time, because they are the team where they have good players and their squad looks strong too. Australia, yes, वो जाएगा ही, because I'll tell you what, now after working with Cricket Australia, I think one of the things that I've seen with these players and the team is the mindset. Pat Cummins comes with a very, very strong mindset. The team members as well back his mindset, and they have their own thing that we have to perform. They're unstoppable at this point after winning back to back, and now you can see SRH is also doing well. Pat Cummins को अलग ही confidence आने वाला है. So when they come with these many wins and confidence, and they know they got this, they are going to be in the finals. But I hope कि इस बार कोई और भी देखने मिले हमें. India हो.
India was I'll be more than happy. Dude, if you have to predict the highest wicket taker for India in this World T20, who would it be? Chahal? I think Bumrah, dude. We haven't spoken a word about Bumrah.
Dude, Bumrah, hands down Bumrah. I was just about to say कि हम हमेशा Bumrah को बाद में बात करते, because there is only positive to talk about him. I have not seen a game where Bumrah ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया होगा. Even at the situations where हमको विकेट चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, he still given minimum runs opponents से. So I think उसके बारे में बात, मतलब मुझे कोई डाउट से नहीं है बुमराह को लेके. And he is going to be the highest wicket taker, because you see the way he plays. He's such a versatile bowler. He comes in and एक ओवर भी डालेगा तो we know his spell में एक विकेट तो आना ही है. दो तो better. He'll do his job.
In fact, in a team that has Virat and Rohit, and we are still having relaxing because we've got Jasprit Bumrah. Like that speaks कि हम लोग उसको कितना trust करते हैं, despite having the likes of Virat and Rohit in the squad as well. In terms of the highest run scorer, who would it be?
Highest run scorer. I think
I want Rohit or Virat, but I think it will be some Jaiswal.
We already know Rohit and Virat के fans इतने ज्यादा कि सबको चाहिए कि वो century मारे. And उससे भी ज्यादा करे. But अगर मैं young players की बात करूँ, because I want to talk about more the young players who've got the chance in the squad. I mean not young, but relatively younger than Rohit and Virat. I think the batter, अगर उसको chance मिला तो he will perform is A. Jaiswal and Sanju Samson.
Oh yeah, Samson would be raring to go, dude. I think over the years was how bottle up हो गया कि I do everything right, somehow I don't get selected in the 11.
You will see the possessed version of Samson this year. That's what I'm hoping.
Yeah, and for being an X factor, for me, if I have to pick an X factor in the World T20, it has to be Surya Kumar Yadav. अगर कप जीतना है, Surya has to perform. There's no excuse over there.
X factor ही नहीं है ये. I mean, he's the factor. He needs to play. He has to play, and he needs to understand. I sometimes think like Surya doesn't know that how many people look up to him sometimes. He's a very casual person in general. You see him, sometimes he's eating food on the side. He's just there chilling, talking. But he obviously, game की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. Just in general, how person he is.
Chilling in general,
He needs to know how many people have faith and how many people put entire their heart into his game. So I think, I'm looking forward for Surya. I really hope that he plays this year, and that too consistently. Surya fits in a team well where
everyone's doing well.
Everyone's doing well. In terms of, agar he is taking that risky shots also, I want somebody who's coming on number 5 needs to cover up for that. That's how it should be. That's how it should be.
Fair to say, dude. All set to support Team India at the World T20. pumped up, excited. US में World Cup
I
होने
don't
वाला है.
know who I'm supporting. Dil se to India hi, but work wise I might be somewhere
Oh,
else. But yeah, like
yeah.
Dil se to India for sure.
Absolutely. And Bharat Army would be there in the stands as well, supporting and cheering for Team India at the World T20. Make sure आप लोग को video पसंद आया, then hit like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys are constantly following the Bharat Army right across the entire journey, like you did for the World Cup as well. And we'll be back soon. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye bye.